Hey, what's going on, guys? Got a tutorial for you. This one's going to be Overdose by Foxx. I'm going to go ahead and play through the chords. Okay. So the first chord is a C minor 7. So we'll just go through those. To an F minor 7. And lastly to a C sharp major 9. So the key to this song is keeping that melody running there in each chord. So let's slow that down. I can show you what I'm doing. For the C minor 7, I'm just kind of going and I'm just pulling off with the second finger here. So we roll it, release, and then hit the next string right there, this string right here. So we just, okay. Then you go to the F, and I'll show you the plucking pattern after this. And if this is too much of a stretch, you can just kind of bar the fret, get you a capo, and just bar that. So you just have to worry about the melody. That's the melody right there. Okay. That's all I'm doing. I just play the chord and I put the melody in there. See that? Lastly, we go to the C sharp major 9. So for this one, you actually have to take your first finger and kind of bar that much of it. Might be kind of difficult if you're first starting out. You kind of have to bar that, so when you kind of roll the chord like that, then you're going to release your ring, which is on this string right here, and then play that string, so you have, see that? And then you're going to release your last finger, which is right here, and then just play that string, so you have this. So you have that melody in there. See that? And then you go back to the C minor 7. So we have this. This song is just getting that melody in there. Let's take a look at the plucking pattern real quick and finish this up. You guys can see that. So I'm just kind of doing this routine right here. Each string. So we have this. See how I'm kind of just rolling it? Rolling it. Each time. That same melody throughout the song.